Hello everybody, so today in this video I have a haul. It's going to be a Primark slash TK Maxx haul, because that's where I went today, and I want to show you what I got, because I got some pretty good things I think. So, let's have a look. The first item that I got is this. It is a large chenille, I think that's how you pronounce it, throw. And this is like literally the softest thing in the world. And I'm one of those people who always has to have a blanket on me, even when it's summer. This is like the thinnest kind of throw fabric that you could possibly get. And I think in the summer, that will probably be enough. It's a large one, and it was reduced from £18 to £10, which I don't think is too bad. So, a large chenille throw. Next I got these, which are like slides, I guess, but they're buckled and they have these studs on them, and they're really comfortable. Tried them on, and these, I think most of them were stickered up at £13, but these are actually £11, which I don't think is bad. I have nails. So my nails have been hell. Like the past 3 or 4 times I've done my nails, like my skin has like reacted to it, and they've either itched the hell out of me, or like the skin has like died, I guess, and kind of fallen off. So I'm kind of trying not to use gel on my nails for a while, because I never had a problem, and then suddenly they were like, yeah, we're just going to have an allergic reaction to that. So, yeah, these are my own nails, and I'll show you what I used on these, like, in a second. But, yeah, these have, like, a marbled effect on them at the moment. But, yeah, they're my own nails at the minute. But I wanted to get some press-ons, because, you know, they're better for your nails than gel. So from Primark I got these ones. These are called Almond Gloss, and I just thought they were really pretty. So they're those ones. And then I got these ones, which are neon green, which I love, and they were £1.30, which I don't think is bad at all. And then I got these ones, which are a green kind of pointed gloss, they're called. These are £1, and I'm probably going to wear these this weekend because I'm going to a wedding and my dress is black and green. So I'm going to put those on. In fact, I'm going to show you the nail thing that I have. It's this. I saw it in TK Maxx. Marbled nail top coat. I've never seen this before in my life. So, Marble Moment, Marble Effect nail polish set. And yeah, You're So Marvelous. Interesting. This was $9.99, and as I said, I did my nails with it. I don't know about marble, it looks kind of tie-dye, but I'm fine with tie-dye. But I started doing stuff before they'd actually dried, so these 2 nails are buggered. So I'm probably going to have to take them off and do them again. But yeah, overall I like the look of these. These are nice. So that's good. That was from TK Maxx, and I just spotted it and had to try it, because I've like never, because I'm that out of touch with like doing actual nail varnish on my nails and not gel. I've not tried any of these new things, so yeah. Then I have these, which I spotted and I was like, yes, I have to buy those. These are mango diffusers. Mango reed diffuser with mango, papaya and citrus. So yeah, I like mango, I like papaya. So these are £1 each, so I think that's really, really good. It says that they last up to 4 weeks as well, so that's why I got 2. So yep, I got those. And then I spotted this when I was in the queue. This is Blueberry Burst, and this should be £4 and it was on sale at 2. And anything that is blueberry or raspberry or, you know, blue raspberry, anything like that, I'm a sucker for it. And I think that this is just a scrub. Oh my word, that smells incredible. And yeah, it's just like, if you can see in there, it's like a sugar scrub. So, £2, bargain. That's that one. I love the packaging for this as well, love it. Then I got 2 more things from Primark. I got this, which is the same sort of like colourway as that one. This is called the PS Back Off Blemish Back Spray. Spray imperfections with witch hazel and hyaluronic acid. Helps clarify blemish-prone skin, which I just thought was pretty cool. It was £2, down from £3.50. I've never seen anything like this before, like a spray, like... Is it like a mist that you would put on your face? Because I've not seen like a mist that is specifically for blemishes. So I must have missed that at some point before. And lastly from Primark, I picked up this. So I got this. This is the Airbrush Foundation from the PS Pro collection. It says full coverage, weightless, infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Now this, where did I put my foundation? Here it is. I think is a dupe of this. Now this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I've got this on today. At first I was a little bit confused by it. It kind of dried my skin a little bit, but now I've got used to how to use it. I love this. It's beautiful. My skin just looks airbrushed now that I know how to properly use it. And I'm kind of thinking, do I make a video on these? This one is a little bit lighter. Just a tiny bit. But this is the lightest shade of the Charlotte Tilbury one. This is called Cool. Number 1, Cool. And then this one is just Ivory. So, do we want to do a video review of how these weigh up against each other? Do we? We'll see. So, yeah. That's that from Primark. And then from TK Maxx I got the nail varnishes. And then I also got this, which I just love. It is a bracelet. I'm a sucker for these kind of bracelets. It's like a buckle kind of thing with like this taupe braid and then the neon green. And this is actually by Ted Baker. It was a tenner. So it's actually by Ted Baker and it was a tenner. So I don't think that's too bad. I just love it. I'm a big fan of that. And lastly, I picked up these. Now, I've not had earrings that are this dangly before. I've had these ones. These ones are the most like dangly that I have. These are by APM Monaco or AMP. I can't remember which one it is. The Monaco one. And they're a little bit dangly. This one. But these are like the most dangly earrings that I'm ever going to have had. So, do I try them on now? Shall I try them on? Let's see how they go. Okay, there they go. So they're my cute snake earrings. I actually really like those. I'm gonna have to get used to being hit in the face with them though. I'm not used to this much movement. But they're cute. I like them. I think like with my hair tied back like this, it's kind of a pretty nice look. I like them. I might wear them to the wedding. We've pretty much been told we can wear whatever we want, so. And they're green as well. I can wear those. I'll see. Anyway. Yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got today. I love so much of this stuff. And these are so dangly and cute. I love them. So yes, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you all in the next video. So, adios.